Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new day trading video. Today I would like to talk about gold. So what you see before you is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators, and we are looking at gold futures and 30-minute time frame. Now I want to talk about a recently formed resistance which formed in here at 1941.5, and it is based on a trend setup. The trend setup is when the price goes in a trend like this, and what we want to trade is volume clusters that the price made when it was dropping. One significant volume cluster is in here, and as you can see, this volume cluster formed in this zone right before this very aggressive and steep sell-off. And this steep sell-off is telling me that sellers were strong here and that they manipulated the price to move aggressively downwards. And they were most likely building up their short positions in this zone. This is what the volume profile is showing us. So when there's a pullback, chances are that there'll be a reaction and the sellers from this zone will become active and push the price downwards from there again. So that's the trend setup. If you remember last time when I sent you analysis on gold, it was also a trend setup. If I scroll back a bit, then you can see it in here. This was the trend, and this was the significant volume cluster, and this was the long level we had here. This was a long trade scenario because it was a heavy volume zone with an uptrend. This was the reaction, beautiful one, and this is exactly the same setup as we have in here, only in this case we have a short trade scenario. Now additionally to this volume profile setup, there's also one more setup, and the thing is that the price was reacting to this level in the past. You can see it in here, then all those reactions in here, in here, in here. So the price reacted to this general area in the past, which means that it worked as a strong support. Now, when the price blew past that support in here, the support became a resistance. It is a price action setup, which I like to combine with volume profile setups. As you can see, in this case, both setups are pointing to the same level, which adds strength to the level. And that's what I like to look for, and that's what I like to trade. So currently, what we need to do is just wait for that pullback, and when it occurs, if it occurs, take it from there, because chances are there will be a reaction. And by the way, the same price action setup which I just showed you was also in here. This was the long level based on this volume cluster, and those were reactions. So it worked as a resistance in the past, which turned into a support when the price blew past that resistance in here, and boom, this was the reaction. So again, this was the same combo of two trading setups, volume profile setup and price action setup. In here we have the same thing, only it is reversed, right? So that's about that. That's about my take on gold. If you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, I recommend visiting my website. It is at trader-dale.com, and if you click this button, it will take you to this page, and I recommend checking out the Elite Pack, which is an educational and indicator pack that will teach you how to trade with volume profile. It consists of volume profile video course, my personal day trading and swing trading levels, you will be getting those every day, my custom-made volume profile indicators, a couple of bonuses, and dedicated tech support for all Elite Pack members. There's a video which you can watch, which will show you everything that's included more in detail. So check it out, see for yourself. If you guys are interested in trading with order flow, which is ideal for day trading, then check out the order flow pack, which consists of order flow software, order flow video course, and my custom-made volume profile indicators. So that's about the video. I hope you guys liked the analysis, and I will be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, and until then, happy trading.